How to get a personal loan. Find the cheapest borrowing from 6.1% for 7.5k. The cheapest loan rates have doubled in the last 18 months and are still headed in an upwards direction. Yet, while it's not as cheap as it used to be, if you need to borrow, this guide has full info on the cheapest loans, how to get them, and what to watch out for. Plus, our loans eligibility calculator helps you find loans more likely to accept you. Best buy a personal loan. What is a personal loan? Personal loans, also known as unsecured loans, are where you borrow a sum of money from a lender and agree to pay it back over a set time period is fixed monthly repayments. The lender will charge you interest as its fee to lend money to you, so you repay the amount you borrowed plus interest. The advantages is you get cash upfront, but cash separate the cost of purchases over several months or year. This guide details is the cheapest personal loans, but also addressed whether other finance options such as credit cards might be cheaper for you. Plus, we have our clever loans eligibility calculator, which can tell you which lenders are likely to accept you before you apply. What can I use personal loan for? While technically you can use personal loan to pay for anything, a lender is likely to ask you why you want the loan. Generally, most personal loans are taken out for home improvements, buying a new car, wedding expenses, covering an emergency, debt consolidation. Though be careful with this, loan needs to know only borrow as much as you need to then pay it back as quickly as you can. Yet basically it sometimes costs less to borrow more, but be careful. Credit card loans under $5,000 can be cheaper, though you will need to be disciplined to pay it back. Credit history important, but income guides how much you know you can borrow. Beware of representative APR, you would get a much higher rate. You can usually overpay or settle your loan early for free. Subprime loans, why we don't cover them?